Today's card of the day is brought to you from the Wings of Wisdom by Alana Fairchild Oracle deck. So today's card is the Winged Pig. The universe says yes. Laughter conquering the odds. The affirmation for you today is all things become possible through grace. This card wants you to know that no matter what's going on in your life, be optimistic. Look at the bright side. Take a deep breath and just let any negative energy leave you and focus on the positive things that are happening. Be grateful, show gratitude, and more good things will come your way.